KUGAN, CASSIUS, IFL TV, MTK Global. At Manchester Arena here, joined by Scott Quigg. How you feeling?
No, it's a bit gutted, but I couldn't give it any more training, couldn't give it any more in there. Unfortunately for me, it didn't feel like it was there. You know, I could see what I wanted to do, I could see what I needed to do, but I just couldn't pull the trigger, and it just wasn't there. You know, no excuses. Every credit to him, but unfortunately for me, I just couldn't pull the trigger.
I mean, despite Carroll, where did you think it went wrong for you? Apart from what you just said there, where did you think it was going wrong for you?
I just couldn't. I could see everything I needed to do, everything that we'd worked on in the gym, everything that he did everything that we knew was going to do. And I see what I needed to do. I just couldn't pull the trigger. I was just my timing and thing. It just wasn't there. I just couldn't pull the trigger. Taking nothing away from him at all. You know, he boxed a great fight, and I wish him all the best. But I do believe 3 years ago, you know, the Scott Quigg 3 years ago, 4 years ago, would have had no problem whatsoever with him. But that again, that's not taking anything. I think he's improving, and I do believe he'll go on and achieve some good things in boxing.
What was Joe, your trainer, saying to you in the last sort of 2 or 3 rounds, in between rounds? What was he saying to you?
Just go, try and go in to put the pressure on and try it, let the hands go. And when I was letting it, I was just miles out. So when I was letting my hands go, I probably looked like I was swinging at people in the crowd. Do you know, I'm a realist, man. I don't kid myself. Do you know, I don't. That's me. I say it how it is. I'm black and white. You know, I don't kid myself. Like I say, I'm trying to let my hands go, but I'm miles away. So then I'm just trying to throw a single shot, 2 shots. It just really just wasn't there. And then obviously when he threw the towel, I'm thinking, wow, why is he? Because not in the slightest was I hurt, but he did the right thing. I wasn't going to find that shot, and I was missing wildly. I was miles out, and I was probably looking daft at times. So if it ain't looking like I'm going to pull it out the bag and stuff, I'm not going to stay in there for no. I would. But I totally respect what he did, and he did the right thing, to be honest with you.
You did say before this was a must-win fight for you. Is it a case of now just kind of taking a little bit of time out and seeing what your future will hold?
No. I told you I'm a realist. I don't... Again, 3 years ago, I would have had no problem with him, and that's taking nothing away from him. I think he's going to go on and he's improving as a fighter. And I believe he'll go on and achieve some good things. But me 3-4 years ago, I would have had no problem at all. Again, that's not me taking anything away from him. He boxed a great fight and he's still improving. But I did say as soon as I stop improving and I feel like I'm not getting better, that's the day I'll stop. And people might go, oh yeah, but don't make any rash. I said before, and this is a must-win fight. Whether I'd been out the ring since I think it was October 2018, I didn't fight all last year. The time at the ring, it was irrelevant. Didn't make any odds. I trained. I was in the gym. We did what we needed to do, but doing it in the gym and on the fight, totally different. It's alright doing it in training, like say we're playing football, training field, it's alright having to mess of it. In real time, it's totally different. And in real time, I was way out. I was timing, everything, distance, way out. So I'm not gonna kid myself. Unfortunately for me, I think that's it.
I didn't hear all of your post-fight interview on Sky, so I didn't really know kind of what you'd said in that interview there. So that's why I asked you. But I mean, what fucking game hearing you say that, Scott? To be honest,
It's one of them that it's too hard of a sport, too dangerous of a sport just to stay in it, to make the numbers up and be a stepping stone for a young kid coming through, or do you know, an up and comer. I give it everything. So it's like I said, I'm not just gonna stick around, and I've sacrificed a lot, the family, my girlfriend, you know, and now I think if it's not there, it's time to, you know, enjoy life and try and make a bit of that time lost up with the people that have been supporting me, you know, family and everything. So it's, I'm at peace because I couldn't give any more, you know, in my career. You know, obviously I went to America, trained with Freddie, you know, I've travelled all over the world, become world champion, topped the arena here, fought at Wembley. I mean, I've not done bad. I would have liked to have achieved more. The couple of times I fell short, including tonight, I would have liked to go, even if I would have won tonight and found that lucky punch, I still would have called it a day, because it just wasn't, I could see it wasn't there. But sorry to ramble on, but
you say what you want, mate. Well, listen, I'm not going to drive you mad, but I appreciate you giving us a bit of time, as I appreciate all the time you've given us over the years as well. And if it's right with you, even when I see you around, if I put the camera in your face, I hope you don't get offended, Scott.
hey, not a problem at all.
You've always given us time over the last 7, 8 years or whatever, so much appreciated to that.
No,
Scott.
listen, you give me time and coverage on your channel, so it's, you know, it works both ways. So I appreciate, you know, what you've done for me, and you know, and what you're doing for boxing itself. It's something that I love. It's something that's given me the life it's given me, and it's also given my family, you know, a better life, you know, with. So I'm always gonna be around boxing of some sort, so it's gonna have a big place in my heart and in my family, because it's obviously gives me the life that I've got now, and also what my family's got as well. So, you know, unfortunately, I think, like I said, well, it's not a thing, that's the end of the road for the boxing.
Scott Quigg, thank you very much for your time, and yeah, it's just yeah. Well, I don't know what to say actually. Speeches and words, but like I said to you, it's you believe you're doing the right thing, so
Oh, about that.
yeah. But no doubt we'll catch up with you soon, mate.
Yep. Thank you.
You okay?
All good.
Good man.
Thank you.
KUGAN CASSIUS, Scott Quigg, IFL TV. Thank you very much.